Today on the channel, DIY, crochet, cast iron, panhandle. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Misty Nicole and today Daniel will be crocheting this project. Now to get started, you will need a 4mm crochet hook. You will need several stitch markers. You'll also need a good pair of scissors as well as, of course, your yarn, which again will need to be worsted weight. Now we used sugar and cream, about a ½ ounce, to make each handle cozy. Now as you can see here, it is definitely important to use worsted weight so that it is safe for you while you're cooking. And as you can see here, there's the finished product. Now let's get started. When beginning this project, like most crochet projects, you will need to start by creating a chain from your hook. Here you're going to start by chaining 2, and then you're going to single crochet 6 times in second chain from hook, but make sure not to join your work because you want it in a continuous round. Then you'll make sure to place a stitch marker at the end of that first row and at the beginning of each new round as you are moving forward through this project. From here, you will continue on round 2, single crocheting 2 times in each stitch around, and that will be a total of 12. You will then move on to round 3, which is a single crochet, 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then you will repeat until you've moved all the way around with a total of 16 stitches. And then for round 3, you will single crochet into each stitch around 16 times, and make sure that when you are done this row that you kind of go over your piece and make sure that it is tight to the fit as it will hold to the pan. And at this point you will need to knot your end. Then you will continue around until it is about 5 inches in length. And then for your last round, you'll slip stitch 16 times, cut your yarn, and weave in your ends. You can also, for a tighter stitch, use a 3.5mm crochet hook. Keep in mind that this project is not to be used used inside the oven is only intended to be used outside the oven or on the cooktop, and use special caution when you are around an open flame, as this is organic cotton. Just a little common sense therapy there for you. Now, as you can see, Daniel is about to end here on the second cozy and is going to go ahead and weave in all the ends. And once he has done that, you will be good to go on your crochet cast iron panhandle cozy. And as you can see here, friends, Daniel is now just weaving in all of his loose ends and finishing this project, which took him less than 15 minutes to make. It is super quick, super easy, would make a great hostess gift along with a cast iron pan for a zero waste gift this season. Keep in mind that we will be putting the full pattern in the description bar below, so definitely check that out. Also, please be sure to leave us a comment and let us know if you are doing any art projects this season. We would love to hear about it. Also, give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, we would love to have you subscribe and join our community. And with that said, please be kind to yourself and to others and have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you for watching.